have a little tip for you. This street here, if you are in the Bastille area, the 11th, if you are in the Bastille area, the 11th, I have a little tip for you. This street here, one thing that you don't see, that you miss if you blink, is this opening here where we have something called Cour Damoye, an amazing little alley where you can just walk, sit and have a little picnic, whatever. This is almost like time travel. From the constant flow of traffic at Bastille, the transition is immediate. Within a few steps, the street disappears into a quiet passage laid out in the late 18th century. Cour Damoye was not designed as a destination, but as a place of work. The passage was built as a small commercial courtyard. It housed workshops and modest shops serving craftsmen and local trade rather than the grand boulevards nearby. The cobblestones and facades have remained largely untouched, giving the space a continuity that is rare this close to Bastille. Today, it is used by small studios and independent shops, and by those who come here to sit with a coffee, slow down, or simply just pass through.